Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Kenzie's Kitchen. We are huge Giada De Laurentiis fans around here, so when we saw that she posted a new recipe for stuffed lasagna rolls, we had to try it out to see if it lives up to the hype.
This is how the whole thing starts.
First, we'll create our stuffing by combining ricotta cheese and spinach. Then add in prosciutto, Parmesan cheese, and seasoning. Stir it all up and set it aside. Now it's time to cook the pasta. Add some olive oil to boiling salted water and toss in your noodles. Once they're cooked, strain them and let them cool so they're not too hot to handle. Next, spread the stuffing mixture along a noodle and roll it up like a jelly roll. Continue until you've used up all of the stuffing. Now we need to make a bechamel sauce. Melt your butter in a saucepan with some flour, and then slowly add in your milk. Once the sauce thickens, add your spices and set the sauce aside. Butter your baking dish before pouring this gorgeous bechamel into the bottom. Then place the rolls on top of the bechamel. Next, we'll spoon about a cup of marinara sauce over the rolls. And lastly, sprinkle them with lots of cheese. Wrap the dish tightly in foil and bake it for about 20 minutes. Then remove the foil and bake it for another 15 minutes. Sprinkle a little basil on top and these rolls are ready to be served.